Hello everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best and bestcustomscreens.com. Hey, I'd like to show you guys how to measure a solar screen, okay? There's actually two ways to measure it, or two ways to mount it, okay? One is with the clips and one is without the clips. Now the clips, what you'll have to do is actually take a deduction off the width and the height, okay? But the actual measurement will start with the overall window measurement, okay? First, you're going to measure always the width first, and then the height, okay? Now, the way you would measure the width is you're going to put it right to the edge of the screen here, to the window, I mean, okay? And it's going to, because it's flat, I'm going to go on the inside of this little piece here. So the tape's going to go there, and then come to the other side. Oh, no, me. If you see here, get out of the shadow. There you go. And that is, how do you read that? 59 inches? Oops. Is that 59? Yeah. 59. Okay, so it's 59 inches exact, which is rare to see a prime number like that. Okay, and then you're going to measure from on this specific window. If you come down here. Right here, you see the lip here. Now with this edge is for the draining of the window underneath it. So we're going to go to this edge here, okay? To this edge. Okay, so I'm going to put the tape measure right at the edge, pull it up. I'm going to go up here. Okay, so right now, this is at 58 5/8, okay? Okay, so when you measure that overall width and you measure that overall height, you can have the screen made to that size if you're going to pre-drill the frame and just shoot screws through it to mount it to your window, okay? The other way that you would mount it is by adding a clip. Now, we'll shoot a video to show you what that clip looks like, but what you're gonna do is off that width, you're gonna deduct 1/2 inch, and off that height, you're gonna deduct 1/2 inch. What that'll do, it'll give you enough room to mount the clips. Now, each clip is 1/4 inch, so 1/4 and 1/4 equals 1/2, right? So we're back to math class now. Okay, guys. Well, I hope that helps. You know what? Thank you very much. Take care. God bless. And I will catch you next time. Take care.